Good morning, students. Today we'll start lecture number 6, and last lecture number 5 I explained simplest form and substitution problems. Okay, and today another type problems I am solving. Just I told that solve for x. Okay, right. Solve for x. Solve for x. Tan inverse of 2x plus tan inverse of 3x equal to pi by 4. Solve for x. Tan inverse of 2x plus tan inverse of 3x equal to pi by 4. Is asking solve for x or simply solve. Okay. Solution. Tan inverse of 2x plus tan inverse of 3x equal to pi by 4. So you know the property of inverse, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse of 2x plus 3x whole divided by 1 minus 6x square. 2x plus 3x by 1 minus 6x square. What is the tan pi by 4? 1. 5x divided by 1 minus 6x square equal to 1. Five x equal to 1 minus 6x square. 6x square plus 5x minus 1 equal to 0. 6x square plus 6x minus x minus 1 equal to 0. 6x common, x plus 1 minus 1 common, x plus 1 equal to 0. X plus 1 into 6x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal plus 1 equal to 0 or 6x minus 1 equal to 0. X value minus 1 or x value 1 by 6. Solve for x means it is very difficult. Sometimes some values are also rejecting. Here x is minus 1. Tan inverse of minus minus, tan inverse of minus minus, negative answer is comes. X equal to minus 1 is not possible because negative equal to positive also. X equal to minus 1, tan inverse of minus a minus, tan inverse of minus minus. Minus plus minus is negative answer only. The left side negative answer, right side positive answer is not possible. Therefore, x value 1 by 6 is the solution. Is the solution. This is not possible. Why? Substituting x is minus 1. Negative is the left side, right side is positive, right side positive. So root, this root is rejecting. So one root is possible. Number of, sometime the question is asking number of roots, number of solution of this equation, answer is 1. Right. If or ever write solve for x, solve for x. tan inverse of x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 by x plus 2 equal to pi by 4. Solve for x. Solve for x. Right, solution. Tan inverse of x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 by x plus 2 equal to pi by 4. Now direct formula only, tan inverse of x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus x plus 1 by x plus 2 4 divided by 1 minus x minus 1 by x minus 2 x minus 2 into x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. Okay. So direct formula tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y formula, tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Now you take this tan, this side is 1 only. LCM is x minus 2 x plus 2. Here also x minus 2 x plus 2. Repeating once again, tan pi by 4 1, x minus 2 x plus 2, here also x minus 2, both are cancelled. Just multiplying x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2 minus x minus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 1. Tan pi by 4 1, even LCM both side numerator denote same only, both are cancelled. Just multiply x plus 2 here, x minus 2, and these two factors multiplying here. And what is the next? X into x, x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 plus x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 whole divided by x square minus 4 minus है ना, इसको ब्रैकेट डालना, x square minus 1 equal to 1 minus x square plus x square cancel, here 2x cancel and plus x also cancel. What is the last? 2x square, x square plus x square, 2x square minus 4 divided by minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 equal to 1. Two x square minus 4 equal to minus 3. 2x square equal to minus 3 plus 4 1. So x value plus or minus 1 by root 2. X value plus or minus 1 by root 2. Here both are satisfied. Both are satisfied. Even x equal to minus 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 minus 1 by 1 by root 2 minus 1. 1 by root 2 means it is positive. So x equal to you check with x equal to 1 by root 2 and positive equal to positive. You check 1, we just verify. And x equal to minus 1 by root 2, positive equal to positive. Therefore, this is the solution of this equation. X value 1 by root 2 डाले ना, negative positive चाहता, even minus डाले तो भी positive. Okay. If for example 1 by root minus 1 by 2 इधर भी minus होता है, इधर minus common ले तो plus. Same, minus 1 by 2 is positive answer. You check both, you have to check whether it is positive or not. Okay. And try yourself, and whether it is positive is comes out. Okay. But in this problem, both roots are satisfied. Okay. What is the solution of this equation, this problem? Plus or minus 1 by 2. Where this question is asking in the annual exam, solve for x. So you can write both plus and minus 1 by root 2. So it is no time, you take some sufficient time, you will check whether it is positive or not. I am telling both are positive, both roots are satisfied. Next example. If sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x equal to 1, then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. Find the value of x. Sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x equal to 1. Okay. ये साइन इधर ले तो क्या होता है, साइन इनवर्स ऑफ 1 इट कम्स. इट्स सिंपल. ये पहला इसको लेना इधर राइट साइड. साइन इनवर्स ऑफ 1 by 5 प्लस cos inverse of x equal to sin inverse of what? 1. ये sin inverse इधर है तो sin inverse of. Better applying sin inverse on both sides. Okay. Sin inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x equal to pi by 2. Okay. Sin inverse of 1 value pi by 2. Sin inverse of cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse of 1 by 5. Cos inverse of x equal to, what is the pi by 2 minus sin inverse? This is nothing but cos inverse of 1 by, because sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x equal to pi by 2. But what is the pi by 2 minus sin inverse of x equal to cos inverse of x? Pi by 2 minus sin inverse of 1 by 5 cos inverse of 1. Therefore, x equal to cos, ये cos इधर आता, cos of cos inverse of 1 by 5. So what is x value? 1 by 5. This is the solution. X value 1 by 5. In multiple choice it is a shortcut to no steps here. When it becomes 1, x value 1 by 2, x value 1 by 5. Here 1 by 5, this 1 by 5, both are same domain, it is pi by 2 only, sin pi by 2 is 1. Just verification. Option रहता ना, options 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7. ये क्या डोमेन रहते हैं, ये सेम डोमेन इसको ले तो 1 pi by 2 होता, sin pi by 2. But just verification. This is theory question, but steps is compulsory, okay? And step by step marks is there. In theory is different and CET is different. The CET they want answer only, but theory they want steps only. Okay. So what is the value of x? 1 by 5. Right, solve tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse of x. In bracket is given, luckily it is x positive. X positive. X value positive lena. Suppose sometime negative will come, so rejecting. Okay. What is the question? Solve for x. Tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x half into tan inverse of x. So this is, I told so many problems I explained. Tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Now I am taking x is 1, y is x. X minus y. 1 into x, I think this is product only. 1 minus x by 1 plus x. is formula direct tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of x. इसको फॉर्मूले के यही चाहता tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. Then what is this one is 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2 tan inverse of x. 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. ये इधर लेना 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2 tan inverse of x. Okay. So what is the question is asking? Solve for x. Now it implies cross multiplying 2 pi by 12 equal to tan inverse of x. Okay, tan inverse of x is equal to pi by 6. Therefore x value tan pi by 6. Tan pi by 6 value root 3 is the solution. Sometimes plus or minus comes, no, it is negative is rejecting, only positive roots are satisfied. Tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x half into tan inverse of. And starting is the difficult. Difficult means it is formula only. Tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of x. Suppose if it is plus means a plus आता है. Anyhow, the x value root 3 is the answer. Next, solve 2 into tan inverse of cos x equal to tan inverse of 2 cosec x. 2 cosec x. Solve for x. 2 into tan inverse of cos x equal to tan inverse of 2 cosec x. Okay, 2 tan inverse of x formula, 2 tan inverse of x formula, tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square formula is there. What is the tan inverse of 2 tan inverse of x? Tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. So better you assume this x only. 2 times of tan inverse of 2 cos x divided by 1 minus cos c square x equal to tan inverse of 2 cosec x. Even to cosec x I am taking 2 by sin x. 2 by sin x. And it implies 2 cos x divided by 1 minus cos c square x sin square x equal to 2 by sin x. 2 by sin x. First 2 into tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus cos c square x. And both sides tan inverse just removing. Otherwise you take tan this side, it is 2 by sin x. 2 cos x by 1 minus cos c square x sin square x. Okay. So 1 2 cancel, 1 sin x cancel. Cos x sin x not equal to 0. Sin x not equal to 0. Therefore cos x divided by 2 sin x not equal to 0 means both sides are cancelled. Cos x divided by, okay, 2 2 cancel, 1 sin cancel, 2 cos x divided by 2 also cancel, cos x by sin x equal to 1. In bracket I am taking sin x not equal to 0. So what is the value of cos by sin? Cot x is 1. Even reciprocal you take tan x also 1. So what is x value? pi by 4. X value pi by 4. Or some textbook is tan x is general solution, or general solution is x equal to n pi plus pi by 4 for all n belongs to integers. Sometimes the question is asking general solution. Tan x is 1 in general solution. X equal to n pi plus pi by 4 for all n belongs to I. Solve sin inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse of x equal to pi by 2. Solve for x. Sin inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse of x is pi by 2. So this problem in textbook it is in multiple choice. Even sometime a question is asked 3 marks question, solve for x. Solve for x. Okay. Sin inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse of x equal to pi by 2. Better ये term इधर लेना. Okay. Sin inverse of 1 minus x equal to pi by 2 plus 2 into sin inverse of x plus 2 pi by 2 plus 2 sin inverse of x. 1 minus x equal to sin of pi by 2 plus 2 sin inverse of x. Applying sin. 1 minus x equal to sin 90 plus theta, sin 90 plus theta second quadrant cos of twice into sin inverse of x. Cos 2 theta in terms of sin. 1 minus x cos 2 theta formula 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 x square. What is the cos of 2 sin inverse of x? I am taking this is theta. This is sin inverse of x is theta. What is sin theta is x. Cos 2 theta formula 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2x square. Okay. Cos of 2 sin inverse 1 minus 2x square. 1 cancel. So minus x plus 2x square equal to 0. X common, minus 1 plus 2x equal to 0. X is 0 or minus 1 plus 2x is 0. X is 0 or x value 1 by 2. X value 1 by 2. See which roots is satisfied. When both are satisfied or anyone is rejecting. Check करने. I will repeat once again. Sin inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sin x pi by 2. This is very important question. Sometime I told the 3 marks question. Solve for x. Sin inverse of 1. Either you take this or this. Better I am taking this one only. The right side I am shifting. Anyone. Either this or this. Better minus है ना इसको plus आता है. So sin of 1 minus x is pi by 2 plus 2 sin inverse is sin of pi by 2 plus. So sin of 180 plus 90 plus theta is cos theta. So this is very important. Cos 2 theta formula in terms of sin. 1 minus 2x square. I am taking this is sin theta is x. This is theta sin theta is x. 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 1 minus 2x square. So what are the roots? 0 and what? 1 by 2. X is 0, substituting. What is the equation? Sin inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse of x equal to pi by 2. 0. Sin x is 0, put x is equal to 0. So sin inverse of 1 minus 0 equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 equal to pi by 2. Okay? LHS equal to RHS. X equal to 1 by 2. Sin inverse of 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Minus 2 into sin inverse of 1 by 2 equal to pi by 2. What is sin inverse of 1 by 2? Pi by 6. This is pi by 3 equal to pi by 2. Sin inverse of 1 by 2 pi by 6. This is pi by 6. 2 into pi by 6, pi by 3. Zero or 1 by 2, 0 is satisfied. 1 by 2, what is the 30 degree minus 60 degree? Minus pi by 3 equal to pi by 2. The left side 30 degree minus 60 degree minus 30 degree minus pi by 6. 30 degree minus LCM is 6. Pi minus pi by 6. LHS not equal to RHS. Therefore, x value 1 by 2 is not possible, not satisfying, not possible. Therefore, x equal to 0 is the solution. X equal to 0 is the solution. Be carefully and you practice once again the 1 or 2 times. 1 by 2 is rejecting. 1 by 2 is not satisfying the given equation. Right. Solve for x. Solve for x. Tan inverse of x plus 2 into cot inverse of x 2 pi by 3. Solve for x. Solve for x. Tan inverse of x plus 2 into cot inverse of x 2 pi by 3. See, different method, not is one method. Students अलग अलग मेथड भी सॉल्व कर सकते, ऐसे क्या भी नहीं, बट थोड़ा इजी स्टेप्स ढूंढना है. अब क्या है, tan inverse of x plus 2 cot inverse बोलो तो अब तुम्हारे माइंड में फ्लैश आना है, फॉर्मूला प्रैक्टिस करना. tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is pi by 2. ये 2 times cot इसको ले तो क्या होता pi by 2. Definitely comes only cot inverse of x is left. तो definitely will get answer. So tan inverse of x इसको क्या करेंगे, cot inverse of x plus cot inverse of x equal to 2 pi by 3. 2 times of cot inverse of x. So what is this property? Pi by 2. Pi by 2 plus cot inverse of x 2 pi by 3. Over. And cot inverse of x is equal to 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 2. Cot inverse of ax equal to LCM is 6, 4 pi minus 3 pi. Cot inverse of x equal to pi by 6. Therefore, x value cot pi by 6. Cot 30 degree, tan 30 degree 1 by root 3. Cot 30 degree root 3 is the solution of the given differential of the given equation. Okay, this is very simple. Otherwise, students, what they are doing is tan inverse of 1 by x, 2 tan inverse of x, tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus, that also comes. That also is, you will get root 3. Sometimes 2 roots आता है, negative reject कर positive लिखना. X value root 3 is the solution of the given equation. Solve for x. Tan inverse of 1 x plus 1 plus tan inverse of x minus 1 equal to cot inverse of 1 by 2. ये cot inverse of 1 है, tan inverse of what 2 लिखना है. इसको फॉर्मूला लिखे, tan इसको x बोलना, इसको y बोलना, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. इधर भी tan inverse of both side tan inverse of removing and LCM take definitely count x value. अब एक है तो ओके, sometime that 2 आ गया ना, verify करना which root is satisfied. Okay, these two problems are homework. Okay. Solve for x, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of 1 minus x equal to tan inverse of 9 by 7. So even that previous problem also is not there in textbook. Even these two also not there. These two are 3 problems are extra only other than textbook. So even sometimes the other than textbook questions also comes. You have to practice. Solve means what is not same problems, just they are changing the numbers. Okay, these two problems try yourself. Next problems. Prove that tan inverse of root x equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So x belongs to 0, 1. Tan inverse of root x is 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. And better take this problem RHS to LHS. 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. 1 by 2 cos inverse of, better you go to substitution only, put okay, x square equal to, x is equal to tan square theta. Because you will get formula only. Okay, x is tan theta is not comes. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan cos 2 theta is there. What is the tan theta? Root x. Therefore, theta value tan inverse of root x. Maybe this problem answer theta will comes equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 by 2 cos inverse of cos 2 theta. 1 by 2 cos inverse of cos 2 theta, 2 theta. So theta value tan inverse of root x. This is the LH. Tan inverse of root x value half into cos inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. I am taking right side RHS to LHS. LHS to RHS it is a difficult one. Tan inverse, otherwise 2 cross multiply karna, 2 into tan inverse of root x, tan inverse of, it is good. Better take a right side, it is easy method with the right side only. Put x is, be careful, it is not tan theta, it is tan square theta. Prove that 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sin inverse of 1 by 3 equal to 9 by 4 sin inverse of 2 root 2 by 3. 9 by 4 sin inverse of 2 root 2 by 3. 9 pi by 8, even this is the given miscellaneous problems, 9 pi by 8. Maybe it is exercise number 3 in the textbook. Even this is also 3 marks question. 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sin inverse of 1 by 3, 9 by 4 sin inverse of 2 root 2 by 3. Take LHS. 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sin inverse of 1 by 3, it is a left side answer. Better take 9 by 4 common. Now what is it? Pi by what? 2 minus sin inverse of 1 by 3. Taking outside 9 by 4, pi by 2 minus 9 by 4, 9 by 4, what is the pi by 2 minus? Cos inverse. Cos inverse of 1 by 3. Nine by 4 cos inverse of 1 by 3. Now what is triangle? This is 1, 3, 9 minus 1, 2 root 2. 9 by 4, what is the sin inverse of cos inverse of 1 by 3 equal to sin inverse of 2 root 2 by 3. 9 by 4 as it is, sin inverse of 2 root 2 by 3. This is the right side answer. Very simple. Pi by 2 minus sin inverse of 1 by 3, cos inverse of 1 by 3. But you want sin inverse, not cos inverse. Even sometime 9 by 4, cos inverse of 1 by 3 also, but cos inverse is not given. Cos inverse of 1 by 3 convert into sin inverse. How to convert, you know, using right angle triangle method. So this is one adjacent side, hypotenuse 3, and opposite is what? Opposite is 2 root is 9 minus 1 root 8, 2 root 2. From this figure 9 by 4 sin inverse of 2 root. One side में लिखे देखो, cos inverse of 1 by 3 sin inverse of 2 root 2 by 3. express tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 minus sin x, cos x by 1 minus sin x in the, but x value minus 3 pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2 pi by 2. It is given tan inverse of cos x by 1 minus sin x, x lies between minus 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 2 in the simplest form, in the simplest form. Okay, given expression tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 minus sin x. Even this is so many methods are there, but I am taking easy method, tan inverse of, but cos x formula is there, sin x formula है, sin x बोले तो 2 sin x by 2 cos, half angle formula, sin theta 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, ये sin रहे तो इसको क्या करता मैं, cos sin of pi by 2 minus x, 1 minus cos theta formula 2 sin square theta, but 1 minus है, इसको भी cos में लिखना, 1 minus cos pi by 2 minus x. Okay, the cos sin of 90 minus x, sin cos of 90 minus x, cos sin of 90 minus x, sin cos of 90 minus x. Cos in terms of sin, sin in terms of cos, and tan inverse of, अब आता देखो फॉर्मूला sin थीटा 2 sin थीटा बाई 2, इसको थीटा बोलना बाई 2 लिखना, पाई बाई 4 आते हैं माइनस एक्स बाई 2, cos पाई बाई 4 माइनस एक्स बाई 2 4 डिवाइडेड बाई, व्हाट इज द sin थीटा 2 sin थीटा बाई 2, ये थीटा है, थीटा बाई 2, इसको 1 बाई 2 लिखे ना, ये 2 इसको भी 1 मल्टीप्लाई, इसको भी 2 मल्टीप्लाई, पाई बाई 4 माइनस एक्स बाई 2 sin स्क्वायर सेम पाई बाई 4 माइनस एक्स बाई 2, दिस इज 1 2 cancel, 1 sin cancel, tan inverse of sin cos by sin cot of pi by 4 minus x by 2. ये tan inverse of cot है ना, इसको भी tan में लिखना ना, फॉर्मूला है tan inverse of tan x is x, tan inverse of tan theta is theta, tan of pi by 2 minus of pi by 4 minus x by 2. tan inverse of cot tan में लिखना 90 माइनस, अब लिख सकते पाई बाई 2 माइनस ऑफ पाई बाई 4 माइनस एक्स बाई 2, पाई बाई 2 90 minus 45 degree is pi by 4, 90 minus 45 degree pi by, minus into minus plus x by 2. So this is the simplest form. Repeat once again, nothing, the trigonometry formulas. अब तुम्हारे को trigonometry formula मालूम तो कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आता, I am telling frankly, but inverse trigonometry functions and integration, differentiation, it is almost 99% problems are trigonometry only, and which still time is there, and better you go to daily once you have to practice, or you have had, better you can write formulas, okay, because the problem only formula based है, formula आगे ना इसको आइडिया मिलता है तुम कैसा सॉल्व करना है. अब देखो cos x फार्मूला नहीं, इसको sin करना, sin x फार्मूला नहीं, 1 minus sin x नहीं है, दूसरा मेथड भी है सॉल्व कर सकते, बट फार्मूला लिख रहा हूँ तो इसको sin में लिखना, इसको cos में लिखना, sin थीटा 2 sin थीटा बाई 2 cos थीटा बाई 2, थीटा बाई 2, इसको ये थीटा अज्यूम करना बाई 2, थीटा बाई 5 by 4 minus x बाई 2, So 2 sin pi by 4 minus x by 2 cos pi by 4 minus x by 2 2 sin square pi by 4 minus x 1 minus cos theta from 2 sin square theta by 2. ये काट आता, फिर इसको अभी नई फॉर्मूले में नहीं आ रहे, tan इनवर्स ऑफ tan x फॉर्मूला है, तो tan इनवर्स ऑफ tan बोल तो इसको 90 में लिखना, tan 90 माइनस ऑफ दिस. So tan inverse of tan theta is theta, ये as it is लिखना, 90 minus 45 degree, 45 degree, minus into minus plus x by 2, okay. So this is today's class, solve maximum problem solve for x, other than textbook also has solved. So in textbook it is given few problems are solved for x, so even extra problems other than textbook problems solved for x also given, and some last 3 problems simplest form, tan inverse of root x, write in simplest form, okay. So around this is the lecture number 6, this is lecture number 6 is over, and one more class I'll continue to lecture number 7. See them CET point oriented, the shortcut methods, 20 problems. I'm just shortcut method, other than text, it is CET points I'm explaining, okay. Thank you.